We should always speak what would please the man of whom we expect a favor, like the hunter who sings sweetly when he desires to shoot a deer. A good wife is one who serves her husband in the morning like a mother does, loves him in the day like a sister does, and pleases him like a prostitute in the night. It is better to die than to preserve this life by incurring disgrace. The loss of life causes but a moment's grief, but disgrace brings grief every day of one's life.